Hello everyone! Can you believe it? It's been one whole year since we began EdSup. It's been an amazing journey trying to make Montessori more accessible to all and making this a one stop platform for all your Montessori needs. We've had some amazing clients who've been practicing Montessori at home with us and with their children. We've also had very enthusiastic parents and teachers come to our workshops and give beautiful ideas and feedback. Thank you all so much for supporting us in the first year of our journey. Let's celebrate together. Are you wondering how? Well, if you have a child at home who is between the age group of 2 to 4, you can try to make the letter E for heads up, using any medium. It could be pebbles, chalk, get creative. Please post the video on Instagram using the hashtag E4EdSup. You can also tag our Instagram page edsup.montessori in your post. It could be a post or a story. If yours is a private page, take a screenshot and send it to us. More importantly, every video has to be uploaded to our drive and link should be provided to us at info@edsup.in. How should the video look? Here's an example. Every video should have the letter E clearly visible and in portrait mode. The child's hand should be seen making the letter E. The child's face should not be seen in the video.
Make sure the video is bright and for 1 minute only.
And that's it. 5 unique entries will be given a chance to get 1000 rupees off on any one of the two courses from EdSup. Or if you would prefer to attend a workshop, you can do that for free. You can either attend the arithmetic workshop in March or the phonetic workshop in April. Are you excited? Remember to also tell your friends and family to participate in this challenge as well. And remember the hashtag E4EdSup. Bye.